This parking area will enter here, where the hospital staff will receive you. Waiting area.
Yeah.
On the ground floor, we have the chemotherapy center. Chemotherapy is diagnostic, and treatment is chemo treatment and also radio therapy. Where they will receive the chemotherapy. Yes. As you see, all the rooms are connected to medical gas.
And oxygen?
Yes. Everything.
Yeah.
The sucking system, oxygen, blood pressure, they're connected. We gave them the possibility to have, how you call it, zero paper system.
Paperless.
Yeah, paperless, yes. So it's there. Everything is taken care about.
All the wire and fiber.
Everything. We are now on the final stage of the IT system.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Is the major lab, laboratory.
Yeah.
Include 100%. Even you can see blood banks and everything. Yeah. Take care about the reagents. They have to be available. So it's not the first hospital we do in the country. There's anything to get to Nigeria, it's logistics and extra efforts. And not every company produce something here, so to take care about finish, but just because of the bunkers are about 2.4 meter thick. You can imagine the concrete is more than this corridor thick, even the slab to protect. Myself for allowed 150 patients at once. Okay. No problems.
So it's also for long-term therapy, not just coming and getting chemo and staying, but
Yeah. We have always.
you have cancer wards for weeks and weeks.
It's not only cancer, it's also radiovascular.
Okay.
Also cardiac heart too. Yes.
I see.
And this is the biggest specialty, so that's what you can treat any. Let us. This is, I think, they have this injection system. They will, before they scan you, they will inject this, yes.
I see.
Yes. To let the company.
Sure. My name is Will Stevens. I'm the U.S. Consul General at the U.S. Consulate General in Lagos, Nigeria. And I'm here visiting River State for the first time and had the wonderful opportunity to visit with Governor Wike this brand new hospital as it's about to be commissioned. It's clearly world-class with world-class equipment. It was really heartening to see so many U.S. companies well represented here and to see it. It's really a testimony of the impact that U.S. technology is having in Nigeria and around the world as we work together to save lives. And honestly, it's such a reflection of the great work that's already being done in this state. I talked yesterday with the governor about the work fighting HIV/AIDS. This state went from 17% of the population that were positive HIV on treatment to 97%, which saved over 100,000 people added to treatment who are now alive because of that work together with the U.S. government through CDC and our PEPFAR program. And this is just one more expression of that, and I'm really grateful to be here and see it. Absolutely. That was one of the things I wanted to see today was what this looks like so that I can go back to American companies and talk about what the operating environment would be like and maybe attract some U.S. investment and partnership in helping to run this hospital. So we'll see what we can do and come back and talk to the U.S. firms that are already operating in the healthcare space here and see if we can't support that. It's incredible. It's beautiful, world-class. Felt like the hospitals where my children were born in the United States, although they weren't cancer centers. Just the treatment and the wonderful facilities. It's going to be great. It's a great place. I'm impressed with the economy. This is the second largest economy by states in the country, and I think there's incredible untapped potential for trade and investment between our two nations, and I'm looking forward to working on that.